Hi guys, всем привет or welcome to my channel Ali's Yummy Food. Today I'm going to be sharing with you absolutely delicious, fluffy rhubarb, strawberry and raspberry cake. It's very traditional in Latvia to have rhubarb. In fact, I used to have rhubarb as a kid, literally dipped in sugar, and rhubarb is one of our main ingredients in many desserts. So today I want to share with you this delicious pie. It's topped with mascarpone cream. It's made with just simple ingredients, yet so fluffy and so delicious. You can serve it with ice cream or cream, or just have it on its own with a bit of icing sugar. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and to get access to all my recipes you can become a member today. I have left all the information under the video so you can find out how to become a member. Now let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is wash and chop our rhubarb, and what I usually like to do is take off the skin with a knife. You can keep the skin if you want to, but I do suggest to take it out if you want the rhubarb to be a bit softer. And then you want to chop it up into nice thin pieces, just like so. And they will shrink, of course, and rhubarb is a very watery fruit, so we need to make sure we drain all that excess water. We do this in advance, and we place our rhubarb into a bowl, then add a few tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to set this aside for at least 30 minutes. The reason for that is that the rhubarb will produce a lot of liquid that we will drain later, and that will ensure that our cake is very nice and delicious. Once your rhubarb is done, you want to take your butter, make sure it's unsalted, melt it, and then pour over your presentation dish. Next, to make our dough, you're gonna add eggs into your milk together with vanilla extract and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. And over here, I've got all my dry ingredients, okay? So here it's salt, baking powder, plain flour, and we're also going to add sugar. Mix everything together, and you can also add a pinch of salt if you need to. And then slowly add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients in about 3 goes. Keep mixing until your mixture becomes nice and smooth and you have no lumps. You can also use a whisk if you want, so that it's ensuring that you have definitely no lumps and everything is mixed through nice and well. The final mixture will look just like that, nice and very, very liquid, and that's how it should be. Next, over here I've got all my berries. I've got my raspberries, my rhubarb and my strawberries. I like to cut my strawberries into smaller pieces, but you can keep them as they are. But because the pie will be so gentle, it's better to cut them up. Now take your wet mixture and add it into your butter mixture, just like so. And now this is the fun part. You want to place all your berries all around your cake pan. I start with my strawberries, then raspberries, and I like to put them in different places so that every piece of my cake, when I cut it, has a bite of everything in there. Then you want to spread your rhubarb, which you have drained in advance, and place it all over the pie. Lastly, you want to add your mascarpone cheese and put a dollops all over your cake, just like that. You can put less or more mascarpone cream. It's completely up to you. I like to have a lot of it around the cake. You want to bake your cake for about 50 to 55 minutes or until the cake has risen and became beautiful golden color. If you think that your cake is browning too fast, you can add foil over the top and you can carry on baking. Your times can completely depend on your oven. So what I suggest is to check after every sort of 30 minutes or so to check and test your cake and see if it's baked or not. Once your cake is done, you can take it out of your oven. It smells incredible. You can put some icing sugar on top and cut it into nice, beautiful slices. You can eat this cake cold or hot. It's completely up to you. I do suggest to serve this with vanilla ice cream or to put some cream on top and just eat it. Absolutely amazing. I prefer it personally when it's warm because the mascarpone cream melts and then the flavor with all the berries and rhubarb is just unbelievable. Trust me, this will be your new favorite thing to eat, and I hope you make this. Enjoy!